100 people. That's a lot of people. But today, we're gonna get 100 people to honk at us. And we'll see how long it takes. If this guy honks at me. Okay, we're good. And then let's see how long it takes to get 100 people to honk at us. Because we're gonna be out here until it happens. Okay. He's gonna start first. He's gonna have a honk sign. Throughout this video, we're gonna see what strategies get the most honks. So
I'm gonna get this first honk. First car, first honk.
Was it that?
Thank you, bro.
Was it that or was it the other car?
That was him.
Bro.
Cold, Jackson.
Cold shoulder. Oh no. How did he's literally stopped and he still didn't honk at us.
He doesn't want to honk when there's other cars there because
He doesn't want them to think that he's honking at him. Yeah. Oh. Is that X?
yeah.
No, that counts. Hi, dog.
Hey, that's 4. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Bro, he was too busy eating.
Yeah. Let's go. I know my turn.
Car.
And trail with them, you know? That's just
Ouch. Wait, that's our neighbor. Wasn't that our neighbor? Was that our neighbors? Ouch. Hey. Yeah. Wow, this is the wrong one.
Let's go. I think that's 7.
And he was smiling
He
too.
was smiling too. He wanted to do that.
He enjoyed that. Okay, just act casual.
Okay, we got this one. This guy, I can tell he's happy. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we're good.
Let's go.
We're on a roll. Does that count? Does that count? Oh, truck. There was a truck just turning like right over there. Okay, a lady was just parked over here. I don't know if she was on screen, but she literally said beep, 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 beep.
Mad. She was like beep 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 beep.
You think she was mad? It's on a roll.
She's like beep beep beep.
I think she just didn't want to honk her horn, like loudly. He is happy. Yeah. Wow, that got a good horn. Yeah, 21, 20. 20.
We're switching spots now. Jeremiah's up.
So no one gets mad at me.
It'd be so funny if they got mad at you and not me. First car coming for him. Right over there.
This guy's gonna see. They're not gonna see my face. They just have a honk sign.
There's 21, boys.
We both started like.
Yes, let's go.
Perfect form because it's not gonna pop.
but she was just like beep, 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 beep. She wasn't using her horn. It was like she was like.
She didn't want to use the horn. She didn't want to make the horn. Or she thought that she was just being nice and she wanted to still support us.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, 24. Yeah. Okay, you don't have to participate. It's fine, sir. Yeah. Nice job.
It's safe to say.
He's looking for your side. He was looking. He was looking so hard. He was looking, but you weren't showing it. That's so rude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sheesh. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. No, 33.
I feel like I'm blowing through my 20 way faster than you blew through your 20.
Shut up. Oh. She was like,
Not today. It's Saturday.
Nope.
I don't have enough joy in my life.
exactly. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. She figured it out. Yeah. Okay, okay.
I just start like greeting.
What? Yeah. No. Yeah. Let's go. You're saying let's go. These kids are out here enjoying their life. Yeah. 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 50. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. 50.
Okay, 51.
55. He was like. Oh, you gotta after that.
They like that move.
What is that?
She was smiling so hard, but she just couldn't press that button.
Her horn was broken. That's probably it. She really wanted to, but she hasn't got her horn fixed.
Yeah. You had white hair, that means no.
60. The lady in the passenger seat was on her phone, and she heard the honk. She's like, "What are you doing?" She looked at her. Yeah. 61. Yeah. Yeah. Buddy needs to chill. Thank you. Looking at the flowers. Oh, pretty flowers. Definitely not filming a YouTube video, because that would be weird. He looked at me, he didn't look at you. That guy just rolled out his window and was staring at Levi for so long. Yeah. Oh, I know her. Rest in peace, sis. $76. She had white hair? You broke the narrative. What are you doing?
She had white hair.
Do you need me to?
That other person, he had a mask on. And I was just.
He had a Halloween mask.
He was just sitting there. I was just like.
He was like a serial killer. He just rolled down his window and stared at you.
Looking at him, and I was like, what am I supposed to do?
Now, what are you at? 70? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that sounded like a train, man.
Let's see. Oh, they got it. They got it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. She was happy. She was happy and she waved,
Yeah,
but
she was like, yeah.
she did not complete the mission.
Not the complete mission.
She did not understand the assignment.
Oh, we got like 4 cars in a row?
Get them 4 in a row. That's 4 honks in a row. The first one needs to set the tone. 77, yeah. No! No! 78. Oh, plane's flying over us again.
He wants to honk.
Wait, let's see if I can get him. Where is he? I can't see the screen. He's up there somewhere. I don't know if they see him. Yes, 80. 80. He really approved.
Oh, let's go.
Hey, they're giving a thumbs up. You should give a thumbs up too. And there's a spider right here, and I'm gonna kill it. Okay, it's dead. Don't worry, I got it. Yes, 92. Look.
I don't think motorcycles have a honk.
95.
Yeah!
96.
Okay, comment below if motorcycles have a honk.
Have a honk.
Have a honk.
Boom!
Yeah!
98. 98. No, that was 98. Number 100. We have to somehow let them know.
Bro! He could have been.
We were gonna track him down and get him $100. No, we're not gonna do that. But he could have been like the hero of the video. This person looks like he's gonna do.
They're coming in different.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that's an interesting horn. You guys gotta beat our time, okay? So comment below if you do this video, and we'll come and watch your video, and you guys have to prove that you beat us. Let's start a trend. All right, like, subscribe, bye.